Welcome to Vlogmas. Are you ready for the videos? 25 days of Christmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Please and thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm outside, about to go to a supermarket real quick. So I'm outside, of course, with my niece. And I'm also outside with the little munchkin here. Yeah. Oh my God, can you go inside and get him some tissue? His nose is running. Don't. Why? He's not funny. So basically, we outside waiting for the bus. And yeah. Hopefully, we don't have to stand here too long. Get up off the ground. Get up off the ground. Get up off the ground. So yeah, we just going to look at this clouds. It looks like it's going to rain. But you can never tell with this weather nowadays. So y'all stay tuned, and I will see y'all when we get to the supermarket. Oh, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you be notified when I post, because I know you want to be notified, right? Yeah, so do that for me, please, and thank you. Stay tuned. Today I have a small bowl of chili and rice with some cheese and sour cream. Look at that, my cheese. My sour cream is going to curdle soon because it's hot, but hey, this is what it is. We're going to make it do what it do because it's going to be good. You know. So, guys, wow. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Comment down below if y'all want to see a little more mukbangs like this because this is hot. So, we're going to do our best to show you what I got. Rhyme. All right, we can do it this way. Throw it down a little bit. Ooh, but this joint is hot. You know what? You know what? Stay with me. This joint is hot. We're going to use this book here. We're going to prop it up like this. And we're going to get this video on. Okay. Sometimes you got to work with what you got. Okay? Y'all want some? Oops, I'm going to have to clean that up. But y'all want some? Just tomatoes, diced tomatoes. I literally just made this an hour ago. But now, with my niece and nephew to the supermarket, I'll vlog a little bit of that too. But I didn't vlog all the way because the girl got caught up shopping. It was kind of cold outside. So, you know, especially dealing with a little baby. It's 3. You don't want them outside too long because they can easily get sick. So, came home, made dinner, cleaned up, and stuff like that. Of course, did some videos. Henceforth, this is one. But this joint is burning. Look at y'all. Listen, if you just say you want to eat the rice, I would have gave y'all some more. Like, look at that goodness. Look at. I use black beans and smoked kidney beans. I know how they say use whole tomatoes or some tomato sauce or whatever. I just use diced tomatoes. And that's all she wrote. Of course, with some ground beef. One day I'm going to make a chili, white chili, with ground turkey or chicken. See how that comes up. Because I know a lot of people said they made theirs with ground turkey. My mama, she would make hers with ground turkey. She likes ground turkey and chicken. I mean, I do too. It's just that we don't buy it, and these kids are picky like that. So we give it what we know, and that's that. Y'all saw that cheese pull. And yeah, stuff like that. But nice hearty meal. on a cold winter day, like, some days I be forgetting that it's actually winter because we in December. I be thinking it's still November at times, but we here. We're here. Y'all want some more? Yum, 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 yum. So good. This is my first actual meal all day. All I had, well, hearty meal, because I had some fries and some crescent dogs later, for lunch, like, not too long ago. And then I had some chips on the way coming home, but that was only fruit chips, so technically, my first real meal. So good. Nice and flavorful. And nice and warm. Oh, yes. Y'all need a bowl of chili in y'all life? But yeah, this is so good. The rice is seasoned to perfection. It's white rice, but the chili sauce and flavoring puts it on the ball. Well, but I'm almost done. So many challenge videos to do next week. Oh my god. So I got called out to do the 3 Happy Meals challenge as well by my boo, Simply K Simone. Challenge created by Yummy Bites TV. But I will be doing hopefully to this week. If not, whenever I get a chance to do it. But I also got a whole bunch of other challenges that I really want to do. Show my love and support to my other fellow content creators. Alright, this is not as hot no more. I'm going to have to clean off my book. Clean up this rice that's spilled. And like that. Really, really good. Really good. This is also like one of my go-to meals. Especially since I've cooked so much during the week. When Sunday comes around, I'll be like, what's for dinner? Chili's the easy way to go. Alright, guys. I do not want this video too long. Because I know people don't like watching long videos as it is. So. So, guys, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post. And until next time, we out of here. Peace.